Okay guys, welcome to NYITX. Today we're going to try and do a live Proxmox upgrade. Did a little bit ahead of time just to see if I was going to have an issue. I have an issue. So let's see what we can find out and let's see what we can do about that issue. So, that's good. We're solid. We're very solid. Everything is good. Alright guys. What we have to do first is go to the Proxmox server. So, right here. There we go. And we're going to sign in. And no, I'm not telling you the password. But there we go. And I do not have a valid subscription because I do not need one. However, there we go. We're in. As you can see, we have most of the storage space has been used. We do have a bunch of VMs that are turned off. We will be adding a hard drive to this shortly, so we can have 2 hard drives. We're also going to have to set up the second NIC. But if you come here into Office, and you can see all these, you can come down here where it says Updates, and you go no VNC. I'm having a failed to connect, and that's due to a flash issue, which I'm not going to deal with right now. What we're going to do is refresh the page. It's going to tell me again I don't have one. It's going to go apt get update, blah blah blah, so on and so forth, and it's going to tell me the task is okay. However, we're going to do this in shell, and for this, again, if I hit shell, it's going to go to no VNC, and it's going to tell me I'm a bad person. Why? Because it likes to do that. No, actually, it's a flash issue. Okay? And if I hit it this way, again, because I chose no VNC, I can't get into that. Alright? So, we're going to have to check our notes. We have a summary here of everything that's been happening with the drive. We'll go through all of this again as we're going on. Okay? Before we get there, though, let me move my hat a little bit. We're going to have to go into shell. So let's head over SSH. We're going to run into Bitvice. I'm going to need 2. I'm going to have to open this up twice, guys. Or I'm going to have to go to the back and nobody's going to be able to see anything. We could be doing a fresh install too. That would kind of hurt. So let's log in. It has my password, all of that, and we get our browser for the files, and we get the login. Okay, so we're going to move this one to here because this is the one we're going to work on. And then we're going to open up a second one. Okay. And we're going to put that terminal on the other screen. Okay. Because I do believe we're going to be playing with SSH. And when we're playing with SSH, I don't want to have any major issues. Okay? So give me 1 second to minimize that down to a nice small little package to go onto the third screen I have. Okay, because that's good. And then we're going to pop it behind everything. Alright, so let's minimize that. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to follow this right here. Alright, see how it says upgrade from 5.x to 6.0? It's actually 6.1 right now. Okay, And if you go to another site that says Linux compatible, right here, they come in and they talk even more about 6.1 and why. All right, so what we are going to do is I'm going to pull this back over, and I'm going to pull over the upgrade list because I do not have a cluster, guys. All right, we're going to minimize that. We're going to come here. First thing we're going to do is make sure that we have the latest version of Proxmox. And for that, we're going to do, they use apt, get, I think it's update. I'm more used to CentOS, guys. Nope. Okay. Let's go up one. If you hit the up arrow, you get that. Apt update. And it's checking. All right, so that's where I went the other day. And then let's see, did it hold the, it did. Now, to do that and get your old commands that you sent through shell, you just do the up arrow or the down arrow. Okay, so we have, so what I did way back when was I did about 2 days ago. And yeah, I could have installed the Yum. Okay, but they do apt, so we're going to stick with apt. I like Yum. I'm used to Yum. All right, apt update, apt list upgradable. It upgraded it. It did the updates, upgrade. Shut down the reboot. That's why you saw it hasn't been up for a while. Apt update, list upgradable to check, update, and then here's the command. Okay, so what it says in the actions, testing the upgrade, blah, 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 for install 5.0 on ... please check. Actions, step by step. The following actions need to be done on the command line of each Proxmox VE node in your cluster via console or SSH, preferably via console to avoid interrupted SSH connections. Remember, make sure that a valid backup of all VMs and CTs, containers, have been created. Well, that's a whole different story. So what we're going to do is they tell you to do a small checklist program named PVE 5 to 6 is included with the latest Proxmox VE 5.4 packages. This program provides hints and warnings about potential issues. So we're going to send this again. Checking for package updates. Bada boom. Unsupported SSH cipher configured for root in root.ssh/config, and it's 3DES. Please check. Please fix that. So we're going to take this. I'm going to highlight it. Okay. All right. Selection copy to clipboard. Perfect. I'm going to come over here. Going to open up another browser. We're going to type that in. And the wonderful thing about Linux, guys. Proxmox. PV 5 to 6 unsupported SSH cipher configured for root. Bingo. Boom. Okay. Right. So the guy catted root SSH blah blah blah. Remove the file to use the built-in default Or replace it, right. No, not the file, just the cipher list line, so it will use defaults. All right, that's one way. You only remove the last part. Okay. Well, we can try that. Okay. So, you want to come to this one. Yeah, it's not going to find that one, but it is going to do cat / root / dot ssh / config All right, do I have a nano installed? Don't know if I installed nano, but I'm used to nano. I do. Yay. All right. So what we're going to do, and this is very important, guys, we're going to open up a notepad. I like Notepad+++, okay? So we're going to drop that over here. Somewhere. Where are you? Okay. All right. I don't know if I can do that. Nope. All right. It doesn't like me. We're going to copy this. Okay. And we're going to copy it for a reason. All right. Yeah. Now, I do believe we can take out the 3 DES. Okay. I don't work in shell that often, guys. All right. Control O. Yep. And Control X. Beautiful. Nano, cat, failed, PVE. Run it again. Failure. Unsupported SSH. ARC4. Okay. That wasn't good. Control X. All right, there we go. ARC4. Okay. So let's take out ARC4. Both ARC4s. There we go. Control O to write it out. Control X to exit. Blowfish. Think maybe we have to remove the file. Let's nano it one more time. Control O. Enter. Control X. Kick it up. Do it again. No failures. Beautiful. We got it. All right. So we now have our new ciphers. We pulled out ARC4, we pulled out DES, and we pulled out Blowfish. Alright, that's done. I'm changing the config file over here just for my notes, because we're going to have to keep notes on all of this. Okay, so coming over here, going to do this. We're going to come back here. We're going to go to notes. We're going to go to edit notes 1-27-2020. Dating issues. Update to PVE 6.1 issues. Yep. Ran PVE 526. Failed at, where am I working now? Just to make sure. One of the nice things is you can scroll up. Failed at come back here, come down. So now what we want to do, yeah, you got to do this a lot, guys, is we're actually gonna nope, config, copied. That's not, the Bitvice is nice with that, guys. Bitvice is very, very nice. I'm enjoying that. Okay. Nanode. Removed. 3 DES, comma, Blowfish, comma, ARC4 ciphers. Now we're going to take what I have left, new file is as follows. This is for later. This can be used by other tech people, etc. Control V. I don't know if the comma is going to matter, but we'll find out. And we're going to hit OK. There we go. We got notes. All right. That's a good thing. I have notes on most of these containers. All right. So now we have that. Okay. We're good. What we have done is we now have total 15, pass 13, warning 0. Beautiful. Let's go back to the list we're following. Okay. All right. Prado has one too that I just pulled up, but we're going to go with this one. All right. Cluster. Okay, I don't know if I don't have a cluster, but we're going to run it anyways. So over here, they're running a command system CTL stop PVE. So we're going to grab it. We're going to come here. No. We're going to, nope. Can I just paste? No. Nope. You can't paste. I'm going to have to learn Bitvice and pasting. In the meantime, system CTL. This is the newest way of doing this, by the way. I'm still getting used to it. Stop PVE dash HA dash LRM. Just to say. I stopped it. All right. Echo, not echo. Echo, colon, deb, space, http, colon, // download dot proxmox dot com / Debian / CoroSync, because you gotta move it to CoroSync -3 1 second. Just want to check one thing. Yeah, space stretch. Okay. CoroSync /3 / stretch space main space, nope, over here please, stretch space main. Okay, am I missing something here? Nope. Okay, goes to, put it in /Etsy /apt /sources dot list dot p / CoroSync 3 dot lst. Correct? Okay, enter. That worked. Yeah, you don't get messages for that. apt. And we're going to do another update. Update. Invalid. Up 1. And we're going to put the P in. Yes, you can do that. Working. Okay, stretch and release. All right, it's running now, guys. Has an invalid file name extension. Okay. There we go. Done. Try it again. Boom. There we go. Has an invalid sources.list.d file name extension. What file name extension is invalid? Now let's try it. Yeah, I copied and pasted, guys. Apt update. Okay, 7. Alright, so basically it's ignoring a different file. Ah, okay. So, RM space slash Etsy slash APT slash no tab sources.list .d slash Coro sync .lst. All right, we're done. Now we need to do update. Okay, apt list upgradable. We're going to copy and paste all of this, guys. Okay. Boom. All right. It's done. Output. That's fine. There are 2 ways to proceed with the CurlSync. Upgrade the nodes one by one. Upgrade all nodes simultaneously using parallel SSH, blah, 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 blah. Dum, dum, dum. Pre-download the upgrade to CurlSync-3 on all nodes. All right. Do I want to continue? Yes, just in case. All right, let's do this. Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom. Download complete and in download only mode. And we're going to do this one, apt dist upgrade. Boom. All right, yes. And it's now unpacking and doing everything it's supposed to do. Yay! Even though I don't have a cluster. All right, we're at 68%. This is not a new server, guys. No, Russell. Hold on, guys. Hello? Hi.
I'm back.
Okay, and you're doing... Are you cooking dinner tonight? What?
I just came back.
Yeah, I know that. Are you cooking dinner or what?
Not.
Okay, is your sister cooking dinner today?
Nope.
So I'm cooking dinner.
Yep.
Okay. Chicken and pasta?
Hmm?
Chicken with pasta?
Or
That's it. Chicken with pasta?
Yeah.
Sounds good. All right. I'm going to need you to bring me over a bag of pasta, please, and some tomato sauce and the chicken.
How many cans?
Oh, 5.
And what kind of chicken?
The chicken breast that's in the fridge. And some onions and carrots if you got some. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Alright guys, I'm back. Thank you for being patient while I dealt with that. Alright. Now we could check the status of the clusters, which I don't have, by doing this. Curl sync config does not exist. Is this node part of a cluster? Nope. But we have Curl sync installed. So now we're going to do okay. I can always remove CoroSync. Now we're going to restart the PVE HA LRM. Boom. And we're going to start up the other one. CRM. Boom. And then we're going to check the status one more time. Nope, it's not part of a cluster, but it could be. All right. Now we're going to run the update again. Okay. All packages are up to date. I have got to get into that and find out why corosync.lst is not there. And the easiest way of doing it is this. Etsy apt. Okay. Remote files. Look at that beautiful thing right there. My locals. Alright. We're at root. We want to go up. So exactly Etsy apt. There we go. Sources list LST. Right. It's been deleting that, so we're going to delete that. Yes. Thank you. Sometimes. Up. There we go. Up. There we go. You want to go up again. And that's where we were. We're now at the top level, guys. Yes, it's very different than Windows. All right, so now we're going to do apt update. And we're going to do this, Control C, apt distribution upgrade. Here we go. Boom. And then we have to update all Debian repository entries to Buster. Disable all Proxmox VE 5.x. in the Etsy sources list, PVE enterprise list. All right, we need to come over here to the Etsy apt sources list D, PVE Enterprise list. All right, so we're going to take this. Can they flip me to another link, guys? All right, so we need to nano this. Okay. Control C. Nano. Okay. Slash PVE dash enter tab enterprise list. Boom. Okay. And add the hash sign in front. We got that. Perfect. Control X. Hi. Control X. And now we need to do that, but not in the enterprise list. PVE no subscription repository. Okay. All right, so let's take a look. I don't have that, but we're going to need it. So, okay, Control C. We don't have that, so I don't need to worry about it. Let's echo to the next one. There we go. Okay. Sources.list. I don't have a sources.list. That's home. Nano. Okay, Control O to write it out. Control X. Perfect. Now, let's refresh. Sources list files. Okay, let's go up one. Etsy.app/sources. Okay, list. Perfect. Alright, now let's do the buster. Can't read that. Really? Okay. That worked. Nope. Really? Okay. Let's see. This is a fun, guys. We'll see. Let's try this. I think we're going to be in the same problem. Can't read. No such file or directory. Alright, let's go take a look at why that happened. As you can see, this is always fun. Manually go into your Etsy sources list.d directory and open all existing files to replace stretch with Buster. One second, guys. Somebody's at the door. I'll be right back. Alright, guys. My son just brought dinner for me to cook, so we gotta hurry up. Alright, we're gonna follow this one. We got a code here. Control C. Ready? There we go. Enter. Boom. Simply replace the stretch with Buster. No file exists. Okay, now we have the file. Alright. Let's come back. No file or... Really? PVE list. No? Sources list D PVE list. I did that. Refresh. PVE list. Okay. Sources.list. Okay. Go up one. Open with, come on, Notepad++. Boom. That looks right. pv-test.list. All right. Open with Notepad++. Kick it open. There you go. All right. Stefan, you're awesome, man. Stefan works with Proxmox. He's a Proxmox dude. All right. Man, I'm telling you, some of this stuff is scary. Upgrade the system to Debian, Buster, and Proxmox VE 6.0. All right, let's do the update. Control C, space, distribution upgrade. Boom! Update. There we go. Screwed up a little bit, guys. Alright. Distribution upgrade. Do I want to continue? Yes! Scary! Alright guys, this can take up to 60 minutes. But we're rolling. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start dinner. Not going to be hard, but in the meantime, we're going to let this run. Okay? I'm going to move this out of the way. It's in my chat window. But this is it. We're doing the upgrade. Normally they tell you don't do it in shell if you can do it in their setup, but during the steps above you may be asked to approve some of the new packages replacing configurations. They are not relevant to the Proxmox VE upgrade, so you can choose what you want to do. Reboot the system when this is all done. I forgot to do the update. My partner's going to be proud of me. I don't play much in Proxmox. I don't play much in shell if I don't have to. But we're up to 65%. So this is it, guys. When this is done, we're going to have the newest Proxmox. And let's go through what that means while that's spinning. So let's bring this over. We'll pull this to this side and minimize it a little bit. There we go. All right. December 4th, 2019. Yeah, I don't jump on these things. Okay. Proxmox VE 6.1, several new features, improved cluster stability, high availability migrate option, notable bug fixes, and has become even more comfortably usable as many features for management tasks have been added to the web interface. Yay! That's actually good, guys. What's new? Containers. Proxmox VE 6.1 brings new features for containers such as pending changes. It's now possible to make changes to running containers, and they will be applied after the following reboot. A reboot of a running container is either possible via the GUI, the API, or a command line interface. Hot plugging and mount points are now enabled. Ease of management, improved access security. Proxmox design team has added countless new features to the web-based user interface. If the package if up down 2 of the Debian Network Interface Manager is installed, it's now possible to change the network configuration and reload it in the Proxmox web interface without a reboot. Added configuration options, settings for universal second factor, U2F, or editing the cluster-wide bandwidth limit, yada yada. Improvements to the two-factor authentication, allowing to use hardware-based TOTP. We might go to two-factor, even though it's my test bench. Mobile interface. Yay! Mobile interface. All right. The scale mode of no VNC can be changed. A new Run Now button for cluster-wide backup jobs. Spice improvements. For a seamless remote access to virtual machines, a couple of Spice enhancements are now available in the GUI. All right. Press Enter to continue. Okay, 1 second, guys. Gotta come here and hit Enter. There we go. I could dump this whole thing, guys. Okay? Path for running. Hold on. All right, we're going to continue with what we were reading. Okay. Seamless remote access to virtual machines. A couple of Spice enhancements are now available in the GUI. Proxmox V version 6.1. Audio devices can be added without the need to edit the configuration. Yay! Audio video streaming can be enabled, and sharing folders between the Spice client and VM is possible. Spice USB, blah blah blah. Backup and restore. VMs with IO threads enabled can be backed up. Additionally, administrators can run scheduled backup jobs. And high availability stack has been improved. All of which is good. There we go, it's kicking. Okay. Other notable changes for QEMU. The new reboot API call enables to apply pending changes without having to wait for the guest to shut down before starting it again. Notable bug fixes, availability, it's available now, checklist, upgrade, yada yada yada. Not bad, guys. Okay. I'm gonna close that. We're gonna keep that, and since we're working in shell, most of this is not going to be noticeable by a lot of people. Alright, let's just do it this way. Press Q to quit. There we go. Yes, enter. There we go. There are services installed on your system which need to be restarted when certain libraries such as blah 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 are upgraded. Since these restarts may cause interruptions of service for the system, we normally prompt it. Restart during without asking. Yes. Thank you. Just do it. Okay. Nothing's running, guys, except for Proxmox. So while this is running, because now it's running, I'm going to go put some water in the pot for the pasta. Okay, I'll come back and check on this in a little bit, like after I get the water in the pot. Or, because I'm running this and I'm looking, I'll just take my phone. And I'll be back in a couple of minutes, guys. I might as well start dinner. Okay, order started. That's important. So, where are we? 34% upgraded. Awesome stuff, guys. Warning, unable to delete old directory. Directory not empty. Okay. See? We can solve all the problems. And yes, almost every one of those items was taken from Proxmox, and I was able to do the majority of it. It was so great. Okay. This is what they don't do on YouTube, guys. Interesting. right, 99%. The default actually keep your current version. Configuration file. Package share shipped with an updated version. Would you like? Yes. Yes. Enter. Yay! We'll probably pull out the enterprise version in a little bit, but for now. Okay. Reboot. Reboot. All right, I've been disconnected. Let's see if we come up. Disconnected. All right, guys, I gotta go to the other room. Okay, so I'll be back in a couple of minutes. All right, let me go take a look at the back, because it is hooked up. Okay. Looks like it's rebooted. Let's give it a whirl. Proxmox does not take much to get up, but we gotta give it time, guys. Gotta give it time. reboot it one more time. And I'm going to go check now. Okay. All right, site cannot be reached. Reload. There we go. System. Cross sync cluster engine. Da, 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 da. Okay. Summary. That's okay. It's up. It's running. Everything is good. Updates. Refresh the updates. apt-get update failed. But did it? Alright. Let's go back to Bitvice. Then we might have to terminal. Hi. Apt update unauthorized. Yeah, we got to take out the authorized. All right, what the hell does that mean? One second. Alright, so I guess we got to come back and disable this by commenting out the above line using the hash signal. Alright. It's the sources list. Okay. Okay. Nano. Nope. Okay. We just need to add a hash in front of it. Oh, enter, control X. Okay. Apt update. Right. It's the app sources list 5. But I don't see that. Okay. It doesn't need to be updated, but that's good. Now, task was okay. Perfect. No updates available. Perfect. That's what we're looking for. Now I have Ceph, but it's not really worthwhile. Right. Okay. Second NIC is here, but I have to configure it. So we're going to try and configure that later, guys. But the update is done. See, apt-get update is solved. Just had a nano. Yay! We're done. And we get to take this one out, this one out, this one, and this one. and this. So we're going to probably start over. Okay? But for now, we're done. Guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, you know what to do. Follow, subscribe, like, dislike. Constructive criticism down below in the comments. And as always, hopefully we all learned something. I know I did. Have a great day. Bye.